In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect with AI. So first of all, we need to go to the platform Novoads AI, and here you need to create an account. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. After you create the account, you will arrive here, and here we need to go to the video section. Now we have to click in settings, and here in model, we need to use the model Omni Flash. So here we have to change the model. Now in the length, I'm going to use 10 seconds, but you could use the length you want. Now we have to click here, and here we need to select our video. In my case, it's this one.
This protein completely changed my routine.
Well, this is the video. This is actually an AI video, but it doesn't matter if it's a realistic video, an AI video, or an animation video. What we will do with this another AI is to modify the original video. So now we have to click here, and here where it says describe your video, we're going to use this prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, so you can just copy and paste here this prompt, or if you want to do a modification, you can do it if you want. So now we have to click here, and here we need to click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
This protein completely changed my routine. Amazing taste, real results, and you notice it super fast. Link in my profile, go grab it.
And there we have it. The result is really good. I really like it, how it looks, this effect. So if you want to do a video like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.